Do you remember that we treated data validation in one of our videos and that we treated lookup function in our last video? Today we'll be looking at how to combine both data validation and VLOOKUP together. What do I mean? We'll be placing a restriction on a particular cell, then we'll use VLOOKUP to retrieve information about that cell using that cell as a lookup value. Let's check out this in a practical example together.
Alright guys, in this video we'll be looking at how you can combine the use of data validation and VLOOKUP together. So we have a table here that contains details for some product, the name, the category where that product comes from, the price, the stock, and the supplier. So we have another table here, also it's going to serve as our lookup table. So I want to do something. What I want to do is that I want to restrict this cell to only have a list of all the product IDs here. Okay, so then I'll use the VLOOKUP to draw out details for the category, price, stock, and the supplier. So anytime I click on any of the product IDs here, I get to see their category. Let me add in the one for name, product name. So I'm going to insert and I'll give this product. So I'm going to use both VLOOKUP and data validation. I'll restrict this cell to only contain all the product IDs. Then anytime I click on any of the product IDs, I want to use VLOOKUP to look up for the product name, the category where the product comes from, the price, and the stock and supplier of that product. So how do I do that? I select the cell where I want to restrict my data to just contain the product IDs alone. Go to my data tab, don't forget. In your data validation, data tools group, data validation, click on drop down button, and I want to click on data validation. So here, what kind of value do I want to allow? I don't want to allow any value, but I want to allow a list. So I'm coming here to highlight all the IDs. Then I'll go back. Then the next one is the input message. I'm going to just put information. Then what should you do? Pick from the list. Okay, so what should be my error alert? Warning, then pick from the list. Pick from the list. Okay, then I'll hit okay. So coming here and I can see we have all the list of our products here. So how then I want to, when I click on, I also want to see the product category, price, and stock and supply anytime I click on the product or select the product ID here. So to do that, I'm going to use the VLOOKUP. So I'll come in here, equal to VLOOKUP. And the first argument is the lookup value. This is going to be my lookup value because I want to use this to look up for value in the main table. Comma. The second argument is the table array. I'll come here and highlight the whole table. Lock it, comma. Then the next argument is the column index number. So what is the column index number for product? The product name. That's 2. 1. This is for our product ID is 1. Product name is 2. So I'll come in here 2, comma. Then the next argument is the range lookup. Is it exact approximate match or exact match? It is exact match because the product ID you're seeing here is the same thing as the one here. So I'll just click on exact match. Then I will hit enter. So you can see, so if I come here, click on the drop button, I select for PO003, you can see I have text here. So it changes anytime I select any of the product ID. You can see. So let's do for category price. So all I have to do, I don't have to waste my time, just come here, select all this here. So the only thing I'll be doing is just changing the column index number because it's still the same formula except the column index number. Ctrl+C, and I'll hit enter. So here in category, Ctrl+V, paste the formula there, then come here and change the column index number. Product category is 3. 1, 2, 3. Hit enter. So you can see the reason why you're having because we didn't put equal to sign in front. So equal to, and I hit enter. So I can see dining table for P008, it belongs to the furniture category. So I'll do the same thing for price, equal to, Ctrl+V, then I'll change the column index number from 2 to 4 because price is on column 4. and I'll hit enter. So I have the price. Do the same thing for stock, equal to Ctrl V to paste that formula, then come here, change it from 2 to 5 because stock is on column 5. Hit enter. I get the stock. Then same thing for supplier, equal to Ctrl V to paste the value, the formula, then I'll change this from 2 to 6 because supplier is on column 6. Now hit enter. So I get to see the supplier. Can you see that? So anytime I click on the drop down button to select any of the product ID, I get to see descriptions for the product, the name, the category, the price, stock, and the supplier. So that is how you combine the data validation with your VLOOKUP together. All right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to practice as much as you can. Do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so as not to miss out from the videos I'll be coming next after this. Bye.